Happy snow day! It's our first snow day together as married peeps. And
Get your foot off.
I just wanted to say, maybe we'll film a Daily Bailey video if the snow becomes better. Because as of right now, Bob, stop! As of right now, it's like this. So maybe we'll film, and we're currently making snacks and cooking and drinking together and watching movies. He's baking. He's so annoying.
He was already up there.
No, he wasn't.
No, he was. I put him back up there.
What are you doing? What is everybody doing? Everybody wants to go outside to see the snow. Our favorite cat. I'm kidding.
No, what? Nothing. We don't have a favorite.
Wesley, it's snowing. Wesley's gonna be the prettiest cat in the snow. That's an issue with me and Trevor. He keeps calling them my cats when they do something bad. They're also your cats.
No, only when they do something bad, they're your cats.
You ready to go see the snow? Gus, you ready? Gus, are you ready? Wesley, come on. Here comes Wesley. Wesley, we're about to open the door. What's that? What's that? Oh my gosh! Gus is like, no. Cal's like, no too. Baka's like, no. Aww. Wesley's gonna be so pretty in the snow. She's like, it's feeling weird. Let her in, let her in. Y'all don't want to go outside now, huh? If you want to go outside, go. But you just came back inside, Cal. Right, Cal? Come on, buddy. Come on, let's go outside. Go, buddy. It's like, meow. So fast. So fast. He was so fast, too. I hope everybody has a great rest of your snow day. That's it for Daily Bailey today, because we're going to enjoy the rest of our day and watch movies and drink White Claw and coffee and enjoy the snow by ourselves and make soup for lunch. And he keeps pushing me off. Yeah. What?
Stop.
Trevor.
What? Stop.
I'm touching his butt. Okay. Bye. Love you guys.